Right guys, welcome back to Alloy Fix. Today we've got something special cooking up for you in our ovens. We've got a good friend here, I'll let him introduce himself.
Yeah guys, my name's Tommy, also known as B7 TMY. So I've come down here today, I've got two sets of wheels, I've got my track car and my daily car, and these are the only guys that I like to sort of trust in my wheels, so we're going to do something extra special today to the wheels.
Right, and we're going extra with these. We'll reveal the colours to you guys in a bit, but yeah, you're definitely going to be shocked, and yeah, hope you enjoy the video. Right, after you sir.
Thank you mate. So boys, we just got down to Alloy FIX ROMFORD. We're going now and
tell me what you're thinking. Right, so this is our stealth range.
Right, cool.
So not many people have these kind of colours on their cars.
Yeah.
They can get them in mattes, same ones with gloss.
Yeah.
What do you think about these? Green you said, right?
Yeah, I think we're a bit brighter, like say more popping.
Alright, cool. Let's have anything from here then. This is our candy range.
Okay.
So these are like all like with a chrome under effect.
Yeah.
Liking anything here?
Got brighter?
Right.
Alright, here we go. This is what we're talking about. Yes. It's like a pack of highlighters or something.
Exactly, yeah.
So
is this something more?
Yeah, this is what I'm after. I'm just going to work out how courageous I'm feeling. They'll go with the metallic, which is kind of safe. So they still look cold.
That's more closer to the wrap.
Yes, that's close to the wrap I'm looking at getting. But this is closer to a bit more out there and interesting. So I don't really know what one to get. It's either like the metallic or fluorescent.
Right, I'll let you make a decision, man. It's your wheels.
It's my one. I've got to make the decision. To the opposite side of the spectrum, I guess you could say. Fluorescent.
Furthest we've ever got down this street. We've never actually made it to the end.
We've never made it across the booklet until today. Alright,
let's do it.
Let's do it. Next one, hot pink. Hot pink for the M4, I think. That's got to be the one.
Yeah?
Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. He's gone brave with it. We appreciate it, but he's gone brave with it.
Yeah, this is the secret sauce, the secret ingredients. They want me to use this, I'm not going to use this. Yeah? I'm going to use something different under your wheels. Homemade.
Special homemade batch.
Here's one I made earlier, one of those ones. You ain't going to be able to buy this, man. I'm telling you. So I'm not going to do what they've said. I'm going to do what I think is right, which you're going to see what it is in a second. And you're going to love it.
Alright.
Look at that. He's not going to go. He's like this, isn't it? That'll do, mate.
Right.
Listen,
That's enough of me.
he's done a good enough job. Look, he's done
Shiny, isn't it? Shiny.
Here, grab that, swap hands.
On one side that very much sticks out from the crowd, and when the car's matte black, so I need something to break it up. So usually people go for like a gloss black or carbon accent.
Take a look straight in.
Look at that, the secret sauce. The secret sauce right there.
Oh my days, let's
Be a bit mad.
let's get a bit out. Oh my days. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna put the yellow stuff on it. Let's go. Very light color, very fine. So we can't put too much at one time, it will run otherwise. And that's gonna make it look silly, and then it's back to the acid again. So we gotta apply layer upon layer just to build that color up. Right. So let's have a look. Whoa. So give us 10 minutes, we're gonna line them all up, have a look at all of them. Yeah. Make sure they all look the equal, same amount of colors on all of them. And the right amount. Once we get that going, then we can start lacquering.
It's a very different colour.
Next time, what do you think about these babies?
Man, they literally, I don't know what words to describe or how they look to. There's nothing you can really compare it to, but like things seem to glow around it when they come closer to it, and it just sort of like radiates. It's ridiculous. They look so bright, and they'll contrast so mad with the matte black on the wrap on the Fiesta as well. It's like it's going to be interesting. I can't wait to see it wrapped with some like thick tyres as well.
Right, it's been a long day. As you can see, the sun's already down, but we managed to get the wheels done. Cameras are just not doing this justice.
It's literally, if you're looking like an iPhone or something, if you check out on like the FIX Instagram or my Instagram, you'll be able to see like a very much more picture of how the actual quality of the colour looks on them.
We literally can't pick them up
Can't
in the
get
camera.
the colour.
We can't pick them up in the colour, but in real life they look absolutely mad. And just to top it up, icing on the cake, we got the M4 done. It's got a darker than OEM tint, but it's come out really nice. Diamond cut, our signature gloss black. Right guys, that's it from us. Make sure you like, subscribe and comment anything else you want to see. Yeah, we've got the best of both worlds going on here, and I really wish the camera would have done these wheels a little bit more justice.
Yeah.
I really wish you guys could see these colours, but hopefully you catch Tommy flying around, and then you might be able to see him in real life. Yeah. Make sure you go make sure you go check out his channel. He should have a video of his point of view. Thank you very much.